Hey you guys, how you doing? Alexandros here from the Island of Cyprus, and welcome to my YouTube channel Salsa and Bachata Moves, and welcome also to my dance school Expressions. Now, I wanted to ask you a few questions. Put them in the comment below if you ever happen to you on Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube, and all these kind of platforms of your video is muted. No sound, all the work for dancing, muted. Your video can only play in a few countries, and sometimes one of them is your country. Your video has copyright of another owner, and the business gets it, and not you, so you lose the revenue from the advertising as well. And in some bad case scenarios, if they're really strict, they delete your video without even you knowing it. They don't even send you anything. Maybe they do, but they don't ask you. And if you do it 3 times, deleting videos, they will close your account. Now, why am I doing this video? I wanted to help out students, teachers, dancers around the world to get this off their back. I'll tell you a small story and I'll get it over with. I've uploaded over 1,200 videos and I keep uploading it. I'm not gonna stop as much as my legs can stand me up. But the thing is, I went online on YouTube like most of us and I found copyright-free music and I downloaded it for salsa and I used it in many of my videos. I would say 50 plus a specific song, not only others that happened to me as well. That specific song, I'm not gonna name it, but I downloaded it free. It still shows that it's copyright free and I got over 50 of my videos copyright strike, making no profit after I've uploaded it. It had the green mark of monetization. It was playing in all the countries, no muted, no problem. And after about a year and a half, he declared it in YouTube, he declared it on Spotify and different. And then all my revenue of all my work goes to him or her. And if many of you having this problem want to fix it, because I've noticed most of the salsa and bachata channels were using the same music because there's only a few of them. I sat down and I made 20 salsa, slow, fast, really doesn't matter. It matters that you can do it with your media player on your phone, slower and faster with an app. But I made 20 of them, which I double uploaded, checked. You can have them for free. The description has the playlist with all of them. You can go on the first and the second one, and you can also download them using any website. But my advice is, if you like to help me and also help yourself in the dance school or somewhere where you're gonna play loudspeakers, the YouTube algorithm compresses it from like 10 megabytes to 8, and then when you download them to 4 or 3 megabytes. So you're gonna get a lot lower quality from the 10 megabytes that I have my songs. So if you like to support, I have it only for 5.50 euros. That's 5 euros and 50 cents for all 20 of them. And you also get another album, which is also full of copyright free, which is called Latin Grooves. So I hope you like it. Give a check in the description. You can also find the link where you will find more information and listen to my music if you like it to do your work. Go on ahead, guys, move on, and I promise you in this video, in the other videos, and in the description that I will never, ever change the videos to non-copyrighted, and they will always be royalty-free. If you have any problems and you got a strike, just send them my specific link of that video and they will see that it's royalty-free and you can use it. But you won't, I double-checked. See ya, and thank you for the support.